Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kavyanjali, and my SRP topic is India-China relationship and its analyzing of its strategic interests and tensions. As we know, India and China has a very long history, and India and China both are the oldest civilizations. They are the great powers in the Asias, and they have trade ties, diplomatic engagements, and also border disputes even before the Western imperialism. Coming to economic relations, uh, China is the largest trading partner of India. China is the largest trading partner of India. China has more imports into India, and India has a little bit less exports. Despite app bans and security issues, China's impact and its manufacturing influence is great in Indian markets. And in case of geopolitics, neighboring dynamics of India and China is described into three key elements. They are cooperation, competition, and conflicts. According to cooperation between China and India, they both have cooperation in uh, global global issues and also reforming institutions. And in competitions, as they both wanted to be a dominant factors in Asia, they both have competition in many things like trade, economy, and strategic points. And coming to conflicts, we have disputed areas, as we have bordering sites with China. So, 1962 Sino-India War is one of the most disputed thing with China. The main reason for Sino-India 1962 war is we have two reasons. First reason is the lack of proper demarcating of the boundary with China and India, and the second reason is China thought that India is a threat to China for its rule in Tibet, as we gave asylum to Dalai Lama. As we gave asylum to Dalai Lama. And coming to Indian Ocean is a strategic point for India, as most of the trade goes on in Indian Ocean, and the string of pearls of China. It is designed to construct naval bases and military bases near the countries bordering to the countries bordering countries to India, like China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Maldives, so that it can give interest to its trade and protect its trade interests, and it also connect through the points like Malacca Strait and Hormuz Strait. But even India has countering ports constructed for the string of pearls, which is created by Indian Ocean. Coming to BRI, Belt and Road Initiative, it is found in 2013. First, it was called as One Belt One Road Initiative. The reason to initiate Belt and Road Initiative by China is to become a rival for US, as US is one of the global power. So to become the rival for the US as a global dominant power. So this uh, BRI is made to connect Southeast Asians, Central Asians, to connect with Southeast Asians, Central Asians, Africa, Europe, so that its political and economic power grow. And uh, regarding BRI, India opposes BRI because the China-Pakistan economic corridor passes through Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and which India claims that it's our territory. So without concern, making the road initiative through it is like concerns over our sovereignty and security. So India opposes it, and India boycotted the summits of 2017 and 2019 of BRI summits called by China. As of now, there is nothing deteriorating in the relations with China. So the academic collaborations, scientific and research collaborations, and event managing or cultural exchanges with China may better give relations with China. Thank you, sir.